1993 Bowman Baseball Jumbo Pack Box. This is going to be video 2 of 2 where we're going to pull a second 22 card Jumbo Pack from the box. I believe we're left with 2 more Jumbo Packs, so we're going to have to get some more. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we're looking for in terms of rookies. Made out pretty well. These cards are notorious for sticking, these early super premium cards. So we're going to bend them a little bit and hope for the best. We're probably going to lose 2 cards, the Rookie Prospect and the Player of the Year cards. Those 2 are the worst. They tend to stick the worst. Yeah, I hear something in there. All right, well, here we go. We start with John Cummings. Oh, I got a nephew named that. Bob Hamelin. Doug Hecker. A lot of rookies, a lot of people you don't recognize their names. Mike Neal. Hector Roa. Kurt Miller. I've got just a smidge bit of transfer on the back there. Here's where it gets dicey. We've got Marty Cordova. Oh, not too bad. Well, no, on the back of here, Player of the Year, got some decent paint transfer there. Gonna have to toss that one out. And then Jim Tatum. Not too bad on the front of the Jim Tatum Player of the Year card. I think we might be able to salvage that one. I'm not seeing, it's hard to see, so. All right, we've got Charlie Hayes. Glenn Allen Hill, very nice. There's a Syracuse Chiefs native. Rob Butler. Ryan Hoblitzel, Donnie Elliott, Tom Candiotti, Barry Larkin, very nice on the Barry Larkin, Pedro Castellano, Chris Bossio, Scott Erickson, Greg Maddox, Jack McDowell, Sherman Obando, and finally Ken Caminiti. All right, so we still didn't pull that golden ticket, the Derek Jeter rookie card. But we actually were able to salvage one of these cards. It's typically these types of cards here that we have issues with. The front looks great, but the back's got some paint transfer. But the front of the other card doesn't seem bad. Seems doable. All right, folks, there you have it. Video 2 of 2, pack 2 of 2, 1993 Bowman. 22 card jumbo pack from the box. We only lost 1 card this time, thankfully. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay tuned.